Hi, hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to Talk English with Arun, the podcast that not only helps you learn fluent English but also brings you powerful, inspiring life stories to keep you motivated. Today's podcast is a special journey through the life of a legend, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. His story is not just history, it's a lesson in courage, determination, and never giving up. So plug in your headphones, sit back, and get ready to learn English while discovering the extraordinary life of a true hero. The seeds of curiosity born into a marginalized family in 1891, young Bhimrao Ambedkar grew up in a society that treated him differently just because of his caste. From a young age, he faced discrimination in school, being made to sit separately, denied water from common taps, and often humiliated. But rather than give up, he developed a deep hunger for knowledge. He once said, "Cultivation of the mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence." With the encouragement of his father and a few supportive teachers, Bhimrao began to realize that education was his weapon. This seed of curiosity planted in his childhood would one day change the fate of millions. A journey to the world of knowledge despite all odds, Ambedkar pursued his studies relentlessly. He earned scholarships and traveled to the United States to study at Columbia University, where he completed his MA and PhD. Later, he studied law at the London School of Economics. Imagine the strength it took for a boy who was once denied drinking water to walk the halls of some of the world's top universities. His passion for learning knew no bounds. He believed that knowledge gave him the power to challenge the status quo. These academic years shaped his ideas about social justice, democracy, and equality. The voice against injustice. Upon returning to India, Ambedkar saw that nothing had changed for the oppressed communities. Instead of enjoying the comforts of his education, he chose to fight for the voiceless. He organized movements, wrote powerful speeches, and led protests to demand basic human rights for Dalits and other marginalized groups. He launched newspapers like Mook Nayak, the Silent Hero, to amplify the cries of the oppressed. His voice, once ignored, now echoed across the nation, shaking the pillars of caste-based discrimination. He believed that silence was not an option, that change begins with speaking out. The architect of the Constitution in 1947, as India gained independence, Ambedkar was chosen as the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. It was a moment of poetic justice. The boy once rejected by society was now writing its supreme law. He worked day and night to draft a constitution that ensured liberty, equality, and justice for all citizens. His aim was to build a nation where caste, religion, and gender would never limit a person's dreams. His intellect, legal knowledge, and moral clarity made him the perfect architect of India's democracy. Empowering through education. Ambedkar always believed that true empowerment came from education. He established institutions like the Siddharth College of Arts and Sciences to provide affordable education to marginalized communities. He also urged parents to send their children, especially girls, to school. His speeches often emphasized that no social change is possible unless minds are educated. Today, millions owe their right to education and dignity to the battles Ambedkar fought. His legacy lives on in every classroom, every textbook, and every educated child who dares to dream. Conversion and spiritual awakening. In a bold move that shocked the nation, Ambedkar converted to Buddhism in 1956, along with thousands of his followers. He chose Buddhism because it stood for equality, non-violence, and rational thought. His conversion was not just religious but deeply symbolic. It was a rejection of the caste system and an embrace of humanity. This spiritual revolution was one of his final and most powerful acts of resistance. Even in his last days, Ambedkar taught us to choose paths that empower us, not confine us. A legacy beyond borders. Drive. Ambedkar's influence is not limited to India. His fight for social justice has inspired civil rights movements around the world. Scholars in America, Europe, and Africa study his work on equality and human rights. His ideas have become global, reminding people everywhere that dignity and justice are non-negotiable. Statues of Ambedkar stand tall in many countries, and his writings are translated into dozens of languages. His vision has no borders. A fighter health battle throughout his life, Ambedkar suffered from various health issues, diabetes, weak eyesight, and more. But not once did he let his health become a barrier to his mission. He worked relentlessly, even during his sickest days. His strength came from his unshakable purpose. It's a lesson for all of us, that when you are driven by a mission, no pain can stop you. Even on days when his body gave up, his mind stayed strong. The power of written words. Ambedkar was a prolific writer. From Annihilation of Caste to the Buddha and his Dhamma, his books opened the eyes of millions. He believed that writing was a way to preserve truth and ignite change. Even today, his words have the power to inspire and educate. He wrote not for fame, but for freedom. Every sentence he penned was like a hammer breaking down the walls of oppression. Champion of women's rights. Ambedkar was one of the first leaders to strongly advocate for women's rights. He included provisions for gender equality in the Indian Constitution and worked on the Hindu Code Bill to protect women's rights in marriage and property. At a time when women had little voice in society, he ensured that the law would protect their dignity and choices. He believed that society could never be truly free until its women were free. Building political awareness. Ambedkar didn't stop with social reform, he also ventured into politics. He founded the Independent Labour Party and later the Scheduled Castes Federation to represent the political needs of marginalized communities. He knew that real change also needed political power. Through debates in parliament and powerful speeches, he made sure that the concerns of the poor and voiceless reached the highest levels of government. He understood that political silence means political death. Champion of labor rights. As labor minister in the Viceroy's Executive Council, Ambedkar introduced several labor reforms like working hours, equal pay, and safety measures in factories. He firmly believed that workers deserved fair treatment and dignity. He fought for paid leave, health insurance, and the right to strike. His contributions laid the foundation for modern labor laws in India. Today, millions of workers enjoy rights because of his vision. The importance of self-respect. Ambedkar often said, "We must stand on our own feet." He encouraged every individual, regardless of caste or background, to build self-confidence. He believed that self-respect is the first step to freedom. He inspired people to look beyond victimhood and take charge of their lives. His journey was not just about fighting society, it was about awakening the inner power of every individual. Rejection of injustice. Ambedkar's greatest strength was his refusal to accept injustice, no matter how powerful the oppressor. He would rather walk alone with dignity than follow the crowd in silence. He taught us that even if the entire world is against you, stand firm if you're right. His life teaches us that silence in the face of injustice is betrayal. The final farewell drive. B.R. Ambedkar passed away on December 6, 1956. But he left behind a legacy so powerful that he remains alive in the hearts of millions. His picture hangs not just on walls, but in the conscience of a nation. His teachings, his words, and his life continue to guide those who believe in equality and justice. His was not a story of sympathy, it was a saga of strength. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. At Talk English with Arun, we believe learning English should be inspiring, and what better way to learn than through the stories of legends. Ambedkar's life teaches us that no obstacle is too big when your purpose is strong. If he could rise from the ashes of oppression to become a national icon, then so can you. Keep listening, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. Until next time, stay motivated, stay learning.